Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Dr. Pratibha. I think I'm making a video after a month. Even the last video that I posted that was done way earlier. Today just felt like a good day to start again. And last Saturday I celebrated my birthday. I was planning to make regular videos again after my birthday. So here I am, living in the moment, seizing the moment, making a video on the whim. I did not even plan this video, so it's just like I had this idea in my mind, thought in my mind. So why not just, roll with it? So let's keep rolling, okay? And in this video, I want to talk about how consciousness is the missing key to manifestation. I want to explore something that's deeper than any manifestation technique, and that is something that sits right at the heart of everything that we do, think, and attract, which is your consciousness. My most favorite topic to talk about. I could go on and on about this because of all the wisdom and experience and knowledge that I have gained through spiritual practices, meditation, yoga, and all that. So I haven't read so many books about consciousness, but it's about this pure awareness that I've experienced over the past few years that helped me to grasp this concept in such a profound way. So I just want this video to reach more people, and I want people to know more about being conscious and conscious living and conscious uh, way of doing things. If you have ever wondered why some people manifest so effortlessly while others they struggle to attract things that they want despite trying every possible techniques that's out there. Because manifestation isn't just about what we are doing. It's not about doing it all. It's about the state that we are doing it from, which is your consciousness. So, what is consciousness? When we heard the word consciousness, it might sound abstract, but at its core, consciousness is simply awareness, the awareness of yourself, your thoughts, your feelings, your surroundings, and the energy behind your experiences. Every single one of us lives at different levels of consciousness, awareness. Sometimes we are fully aware and tuned in. We notice synchronicities, we get these intuitive nudges, can sense what's right or wrong for us. Other times we are living in autopilot, reacting, rushing, and feeling detached from the things that we do and from life itself. But here is something fascinating. Ancient masters from Tamil Nadu, India, like Vallalar, one of my favorite, spiritual masters, he actually talked about consciousness in depth long before the word ever became famous. His perspective on this concept is just so rich. I want to share more of his wisdom with you all in the upcoming videos. So stay tuned. He talked about different levels of awareness, right from identifying the body, the ego, to expanding into the awareness of universal love and divine light. According to Valalar, consciousness is more than just a knowledge. He considered it as a living light, the supreme grace of awareness that connects everything. He said that when a human realizes their inner light, their heart overflows with compassion, purity, and peace. And that is the highest form of consciousness. He called it Arut Perunjodi in Tamil, and it literally translates living light. So, how consciousness relates to manifestation? Manifestation doesn't begin with just your thoughts and affirmations, it begins with your awareness, right? When you're conscious, You become aware of the energy that you're holding. When you become aware of these subtle emotions that you carry, whether it's fear, doubt, comparison, control, which could interfere with your desires. Most people try to manifest on top of all these blocks, which could feel like pushing against a wall, to be honest. Because we are not addressing the root issue here. We are not preparing our vessel for it. Because we are not trying to address the elephant in the room. We are just putting the solution on top of the surface, which is not going to always work. So it's not just a pop trend, okay? It is actually a spiritual practice. Manifestation is a spiritual practice. It is a way of being. But when your consciousness expands, something beautiful happens. You start attracting things from the place of clarity and alignment, not from the place of lack. That's when manifestation flows. You don't have to chase or convince the universe. You and the universe move in harmony to attract your desires into your life. This is what Vallalar and many other spiritual leaders have emphasized. You don't have to go out and get light from something or someone. You just have to go within and find yourself, find the light within yourself and let it shine. You become the light. When you raise your consciousness, your vibration rises. When your vibration rises, your reality doesn't have any choice but to match your frequency. So this is how manifestation works. It's all about understanding that energy and matching the frequency. It's not about a particular technique. Techniques can work for something. They might not work for something, right? You might have noticed it because you're not trying to understand the essence of manifestation here. Before we try any kind of manifestation techniques, it's important to understand how aware we are truly in this present moment. How conscious are you? You have to ask several important questions. How present are you when you speak to others? How much are you aware of the energy that you bring into a particular room? Whether it's your home, whether it's your office. Do you respond to life consciously or are you reacting out of habit? You have to ask these questions and truly understand how conscious are you. You have to start being more mindful of the choices that you make every single day. It's not about big, grand rituals. Everything starts little. Just start living your day more consciously. That is going to help you a lot. When you start living your life consciously, you manifest effortlessly. This is what I have been learning and grasping over the years. And as Vallalar expressed, when our awareness becomes light, compassion, and grace, manifestation is no longer a goal. It's a natural reflection of that inner state. So in the upcoming videos, I will talk about consciousness and the levels of consciousness in depth and how to expand it, how we can practice them in our, fast modern life, and eventually how to align your consciousness with what you're manifesting. And if this topic resonates with you, leave a comment below and let me know if you have learned something new and what you think about consciousness in the comments. I would love to hear about it, your perspective, your take on it. Don't forget to subscribe and I will all see you in the next video. Bye.